Figma data visualization design system to build a dashboard or an exportable PowerPoint slide. So the first step is to locate the template that you want to use for your charts. Right now, there's a limited set of templates available, but if you type dashboard into the Figma search, you'll see them. And I'm using this landscape template 2 for the design that we're creating today. Now, the first step is to modify the chart layout to show the information that the customer wants to see. So first, we're going to take a look at the technical copy. Now, I have my technical copy spec'd out here for purposes of this demo. I'm just going to go ahead and copy that information into the demo template for each chart. Next, I'm going to modify the description field. For the customer satisfaction by region, we're not using the description field, so I'm just going to simply remove that. For brand satisfaction, we're using the description field to show the question text from the survey, which is a common use case. And for net promoter score trend, we're using the description field just for some complementary information about the chart. Okay, so after that's done, I'm going to swap this rectangle for a chart. Just as it says here, to double click to select this gray rectangle and then right click and select swap instance in the drop down to choose your chart. So here, I'm going to fill with a radar chart. For brand satisfaction, I'm going to fill with a stacked column chart. And for net promoter score, for net promoter score, I'll only be plotting a single series. So I'm going to actually switch out the chart layout for a chart layout with no legend, since with a single series, a legend is not necessary. Great. I'm just going to fill with a line chart. Great. So now I'm going to modify the legend to show the number of values that I want to see in my chart. So here, I'll only be showing 3 values in my radar chart. Here, I'll be showing 6 values. And then no modification needed for net promoter score. So the next thing I want to do is resize the charts as needed for the modifications to the chart layout. So to do this, I'm going to detach the template instance. And I'm just going to grab this radar chart. Going to detach the chart element as well. I'm just going to resize my radar chart to center in the new available space. Okay, so after I've done that, I want to modify the series that I'm showing in my chart to match the values, the number of values that I will ultimately need. So to do this, I'm just going to go into the lines. I'm going to turn off value 4, 5, and 6. Great. I'll do the same thing here for the stacked bar chart. Just have to click in, select the segment that you no longer need. And press delete on your keyboard. Great. The next thing that I want to do is show the proper value names in the legend and on the charts themselves. So for customer satisfaction, I'm just going to copy over the proper names. To the legend. And then same with brand satisfaction. Next, I want to modify the values on my axes. Just going to add the region names in. And over here, we're showing our data by wave. I'm just going to modify those. Great, we're almost there. So the last thing is that I want to use a positive and negative trend color for customer satisfaction. So to do that, I'm going to click inside my chart object once again. For value 1 is extremely very satisfied. So I'm going to switch that color to be green. For value 2, somewhat satisfied, I'm going to switch that to yellow. And then for slightly and not at all satisfied, I'm going to keep with the red tone. Okay, and there it is. My finished dashboard created using the Figma design system. Thank you.